Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will show you how you can use any mobile app on your desktop or laptop. After watching this video you'll be able to play games or use different apps like this. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. So click on the link in the description below to reach this website. Click on this download button. Once it's done, open and run the setup. Now this might take a while, so have some patience. Once the installation is completed, open the application. Search for the game or the application you want to install. Once the app is installed, you can now use the mobile application on your laptop or computer. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.